Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use FanDuel with a VPN. FanDuel is only available in the United States. If you are outside the US, you will not be able to access it directly. To fix this, you will need a VPN, which lets you connect through a server in another country. A simple free option is Proton VPN. Go to the Proton VPN website, download the app for your device, then install it and open the application. You will need to create a free account to start using it. Once you log in, you will see a list of servers. Since FanDuel only works in the US, you must connect to a server in the United States. If the first server you try does not work, disconnect and try another one. Keep switching until you are connected to a US server. When Proton VPN shows you are connected to the US, open your web browser and go to the FanDuel website. Now you can access it without restrictions. From here, just create your account and you are ready to use FanDuel. That is all you need. Download Proton VPN, connect to a US server, and then sign up on FanDuel. Thanks for watching.